Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Capricorn. These are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Capricorn. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with the cards for your general energies. We have 3 of Suns in reverse, Devil in reverse, and 5 of Stars in reverse. So, in your situation, guys, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. You are someone who is really caring and protective. So with the people around you, you are someone giving them ideas even though they do not ask you. You are trying to be responsible, and when you make someone your close friend, you go out of the way helping them, guys, helping them, giving them ideas even though they do not ask you. So maybe for some reason this person, they may not understand you, they may not understand your honest intentions. Maybe you are really concerned about them, concerned about others, but they may not understand your love, and they may see you as someone trying to deceive them or trick them, maybe showering them with love, but maybe they do not understand your the true reason behind your caring words and actions. So this may be your energy, guys, or it may be their energy towards you. Maybe they feel this way about you, or you feel this way about them. You feel that this person is very kind and generous and you cannot trust them for some reason. Maybe they are hiding something, you may feel, and you feel lost, you don't know what to do, maybe, and you are trying hard to get clarity, guys, in your situation, but you are unable to see things clearly today. Something is obstructing. Maybe this person is they are too good to believe. So that is what you feel today, guys. So you cannot believe their honest words or their kind words, and you simply cannot understand what they are truly feeling, whether it is true love or not. So some kind of confusions you have in your situation, guys, and you are sad because you do not see clarity in your situation. But if you think within yourself, if you see within yourself in your heart of hearts, your intuition will guide you, guys, Capricorn. It will help to find out whether this person is really truthful, showing that true love towards you or not. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have 10 of Moons, guys. So with this card, in your relationship, it is happiness and contentment. Maybe they are feeling extremely happy, content, satisfied in this relationship, happy to be with you. That may be the reason for the shower of love and their guidance or help. Whatever they are doing, it is out of love, maybe, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with this card for your relationship. So you can trust them, I feel, Capricorn. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Death in reverse. So, with this card in your situation, guys, maybe things are not going as expected. You may see some delays, some suspensions in work, but you need to understand that this situation may be something temporary, guys. So you are not going to be in this difficult situation for a long time, Capricorn. So you just need to be strong in your career situation. Stay strong. So that is the reading for you all, guys. Capricorn, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card here. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the card for you all, guys, for those who chose this first card. It is an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us today. So with this angel card, this angel stands for beauty and enlightenment, and this angel assists us in seeing the beauty in the world around us, finding happiness and joy through our own unique creative expression. So in the world around us, we often see so much ugliness, and this angel is here to make us aware of the things that are beautiful no matter what in our situation and appreciate that, guys. So when we lack that spark in our day-to-day life, we feel bored, we don't feel like doing anything, or we feel stuck, unable to think with clarity or point out or identify what we need and what is our dream or goal. When we lack that inspiration, when we lack that spark, this angel is here guiding us, helping us, giving us the answers, clearing the fog, making us see our circumstance with clarity in our day-to-day life, and bringing awareness in our situation, guys. And that awareness is going to make us realize the beauty of our world. Often we lack inspiration because we do not see, we are not aware of the beautiful things that we have, and maybe some creative blocks we have in our work or even in our relationship. Whatever it is, this angel is here to guide us, give us ideas and opportunities, making us more inspired, confident in ourselves to move forward positively in our life, guys. So all you need is inspiration, guys. That is what this card is about. So maybe you can do things that you love to do, maybe. So due to some reason you do not find time to do the things that you love to do, but when we take up activities we love to do, we really feel refreshed, rejuvenated and inspired, feeling confident and happy in our own self. So when we are in that spirit, we are going to relate that in our day-to-day life. That is this card meaning, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, let's see what it is. It is orange calcite. It is an crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that maybe you are at your creative best today. You are bubbling with energy, confidence. You want to take up something new in your life. Maybe you want to, you are on the path to healing yourself from the past. You are feeling creative. You want to express yourself, and you are having intuition or some kind of inspiration in your situation. You want to do something which you love to do, and maybe for some of you, you are moving towards something which you love, something which you are really passionate about. It may be in your work situation or even in a relationship, or it may be some hobbies like a drawing, painting, singing, whatever it is, something which you are really passionate about, and something which is going to channel your creative energy, guys. And you are going to help yourself, help your relationship change, become more healthier, become more satisfying because of the way you are. And your relationship is evolving, guys, positively, and your creative energy is at the peak. And if you are working with this other person in this relationship, maybe inspiring them, maybe with your love, or they may be inspiring you with their love towards you. So you are feeling powerful together, having that inspiration when you are with them, and it is taking you towards a deep intimacy, harmony, and you are building the trust you both have with each other, guys. And this is the time for you to build a strong, meaningful connection with this person. And it is also the time for fun and playfulness, being really creative, being spontaneous, having fun, having a lot of humorous time together. So this crystal spirits card stands for that, guys. And it is the card that stimulates us to give up our shyness and be playful and creative, and giving us the strength and courage that we need in our heart to be free with the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.